Oh, it's raining pretty good. Oh, crap. Okay, off to work. It's my Thursday. Tomorrow's my Friday. But it's actually Friday. Kids have a in-service day today. Alright, so we're trying a different camera setup and mic setup today. Hopefully the audio problems I had on the last one are slightly fixed. But it's also raining quite a bit, so we'll see how things go. Off we go. Yeah, so I got my OtterBox case return, or warranty return, today in the mail. Oh, I'll let the big truck go first so I don't get swamped with a whole bunch of water. Yeah, I'm super impressed with the OtterBox. It's the third time I've actually had that clip on the case break on me, but that aside, because it's really not much you can do, it's just a plastic clip that's going to eventually break. Take choke off. All the power of 90 cc's in the rain, cold start, yeah. Anyway, super impressed with OtterBox. They've been doing an amazing job with the warranty returns. They make it actually like a fun process. I'm going to post up some clips of the website that you go through and some of the emails that you get. They really make it like they care about their customers. And make the process easy. It wasn't hard at all to do the return the first time, even though I was confused. Even though it's the third time I've done a return through them. It's been an enjoyable process, and I really like that. A lot of companies make it, from companies I've worked for before too, just in my own personal process, with working with them and knowing how the returns functions, they try to make it as hard as possible for you to return items, obviously for cost savings. But OtterBox doesn't do that. They really make me feel like a valued customer, and that it was a really kind of a fun process to go through. And I did have to pay a little bit for the shipping. They make that very clear up front. But besides having to pay for the shipping, which was really only, I think, $5.68 or somewhere there, just a little bit over $5 to get it from the States into Canada. They take care of everything else, and I don't mind paying for the shipping because it came so quick. Each time it was only 2 to 3 days, and I had it on my doorstep, which is really good. I mean, you don't generally get that with a lot of, you know, Amazon orders and stuff. I'll be waiting months on end for the cheapest rate shipping, the slow boat from China, because that's where they get the warranty repairs through. They honestly seem to put a lot of effort into keeping their customers happy with warranty returns, and I really do appreciate that. I'm not sure what this lady's doing. I think she's lost. Anyway, so OtterBox, awesome stuff. Really enjoyed dealing with them. I'm glad I got my cases. They did send me 2 holster clips though, instead of the one and the Defender case that I got last time, which I thought was a little bit odd. But as long as I got the stuff I needed, I'm happy, and that whole thing made me happy. So yeah.